everybody.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Yes.
What are we doing today, Evie?
Today we are going to be decorating a heart Valentine and stuff in it. As you can see, there's a little opening.
What are these for, Evie?
My class Valentine's Day.
Awesome. All right, Evie, what will be going in our Valentines?
A little M&M bag.
Yes. What else?
A little Hershey's heart.
Oh, so cute.
And an eraser that says XOXO. And some of it's brighter pink and some of it's lighter pink.
All right.
And then last but not least, a lollipop.
And then we have our cute little name tags that we're gonna stick on, okay? We are gonna stick our name tag in there first. So we're gonna take our little poker and we're gonna poke a little hole. And what we did was we found some already curled ribbon because I thought it would be faster than trying to curl all the ribbon. So you wanna make sure that you have a spot right here.
That is big enough for the string. And also the most important thing is when you make the hole, you do not want the heart to like come apart or something because that would be terrible.
That would be terrible.
Because then you would have to make it all over again.
Oh, Mommy doesn't wanna do that.
Yeah.
It's nice and pretty. All right, Evie, let's put stuff in this Valentine.
So, how we're going to do this is we stick the little M&M bag inside and push it back.
Awesome. What's next?
The little Hershey's heart, which you can see has a lot of Hershey's things on it. And it's a little heart in the middle. Can you see that? Little heart in the middle, right there. Then you stick it in.
Oh, so cute. So far, so good.
Then you take the little eraser that's brighter on one side and the XOs and lighter on the middle. You can do which way you want. You can do it like this or like this.
You can. Which way are you going to put it in? Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to put it in like this. I'm going to put it behind there.
So far, so good.
And last but not least, we put in a little lollipop, which you can see has a heart shape there, and on the back has a Happy Valentine's Day.
It does.
And then what you're going to do is stick it. Oh.
You have to play with this a little bit for your spacing,
Yeah.
but it fits. Oh, just push that in a little bit more. It's so cute.
It is.
I love it. Should we do one for the boys?
Yes. What are oranges? I would say blue.
Blue. Okay. And we have boy name tags.
Let me see.
Yeah. Boy name tag.
Yep.
All right.
If you guys want to poke a hole through, just ask an adult to help you if you want to do it. And again, just don't let it come apart.
And again, this is more fun when you do it with a mommy.
Yes, a mommy is so fun. A mommy.
All right, so here's our little boy one. Now, let's stuff it.
So you can see it's the same as the pink one, but blue.
All right, stuff away.
Oh, wait a second. I need to do the M&M. You can see it has a blue M&M at the top.
That was a good call.
But we don't have to write to and from because it already has the name on it. All right, now, once again, you have to play with this a little bit.
You do.
And again, it's always more fun with a mommy. Stick the little heart in. But again, when you're doing it, don't let it go too far out that it breaks open. And that could cause a huge mess.
How would it cause a huge mess? It's a pipe cleaner.
On the counter, silly!
It's a pipe cleaner!
Pipe cleaners can cause messes!
Finish stuffing this, you goofball.
So this time I'm going to put it this way. And last but not least, again, do not let this come apart.
Be a giant mess.
What kind of giant mess will it make? It's a pipe cleaner.
No. All right, so we have a little boy one and a little girl one, and we have 18 more of these to do. So we'll check back in when they're done. Happy Valentine's Day, guys!
Bye!
Don't forget to jump on ascendartco.com and you guys can get your kits and make these cute little Valentines. You can also just make them as a little gift card holder that you want to give to somebody anytime, because if you love them, it's cute to have a little heart to give them to. It's a fun craft, and this has been a lot of fun to do for Evie's class.
And make sure you hit the like and subscribe button.
Oh yes, and happy Valentine's Day!
Yes, you too.
Can you say happy Valentine's Day?
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day to you.
Why are you singing it?
And you. And you.
That.
All right.
She's funny. I'm not kidding. She's funny.